So today I'm gonna show you what he taught me. I had a neighbor named Mr. Yamamoto. He had a hydroponic system in his backyard that just was banging awesome vegetables. I asked him for months what was his secret, and he never gave it up. He watched me fail time after time with my little hydroponic system that I made DIY, until one day he threw me a bottle and I said, "What do you want me to do with this? I'm not sick." So today I'm gonna show you what he taught me. 5-gallon bucket of tap water. I let my water sit for 24 hours just to off-gas the chlorine. 2 cups of warm water. 1 measuring teaspoon. Master Blend. Comes in a 3-part kit. You can get it online. The easiest nutrients to use on the planet. It's very inexpensive. Let's get mixing. 2 teaspoons of Master Blend. Mix to dissolved. 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt. Mix to dissolved. 2 teaspoons of calcium nitrate. Mix to completely dissolved. And make sure you pH after you add your nutrients. Cup A, add to 5-gallon bucket of water, give it a mix. Cup B, add to 5-gallon bucket of water, give it a mix. pH water to 5.8. Go half strength in the first 3 to 4 weeks of the young stage of your vegetables. And now you're ready to add it to your hydroponics reservoir. I repeat this recipe 3 times because I have a 17-gallon tote that takes 15 gallons of water. Tip number 4, Yamamoto's tip. Hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon per gallon of water. And because of that, they grow a lot healthier and disease-free, and experience the explosive growth of your vegetables. Can be used in your cracky system, NFT system, hydroponic system, and other methods of hydroponics. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.